Aloha mate, pehe oko? So today we're talking about 3 ways to ask how are you in Hawaiian. If you've learned a little bit of Hawaiian before, you're probably familiar with this way. Aloha, aloha, pehe oe? Meke no au. So there's actually an indirect way that you can ask somebody without using oe at all. And here's an example of that. Aloha, aloha, pehe mai nei? Oia mau no. Here's a little bonus tip, yeah, for pronunciation. Although it's written out pehea mai nei, that last part, there's actually a lot of variation of the mai nei that you'll hear among different native speakers. So some of those would be pehea mi nei, where the mai goes to mi, pehea mi, and then nei stays the same. And sometimes you'll even hear it as pehea mi ni, where it's kind of both mi ni, yeah. But the last part is a little less emphasized. So be aware of those kind of nuances in the language. Although it's written a certain way, it is often spoken a completely different way. And then there's a very informal way of asking that's very short. Typically, I use this with people that I know, and this is how you would use it. Aloha, aloha, pehea. Meke. Hopefully that was helpful, and I hope that it really gives you a little bit more variation and flexibility on how you can ask somebody that simple question of how are you. Could be pehea oe, pehea mai nei, or pehea. So we'll leave it at that. Mahalo.